Another verse that gets used as a straitjacket verse to put people in bondage is Paul says that we're to walk worthy of the calling wherewith we've been called. In fact, Dean, you mentioned this on the phone the other day. You mentioned this verse, you know, there's another verse that it just depends on who's quoting that verse, whatever they want to make that verse say. You need to walk worthy. What does that mean? Anything you want to put in that list. This word here, that Greek word there, it says appropriately, correspondingly, in comparison with. You know what a worthy walk is? Of your calling? Is you know what your calling is, and you live accordingly to that. So in other words, where's that list I had a while ago? If I, all those no's that I had listed for it. So if I tried to build an ark today, I wouldn't be walking worthy of my calling. And if I offered an animal sacrifice today, I wouldn't be walking worthy of my calling. You're starting to see where we're going? Because what we're walking, by the way, it's not worthy. It's, the more accurate translation, like the Court says, worthily of your calling. So the only way, listen, a preacher or a church is not going to tell you a list of things that make you worthy of the calling. It's the calling. So in other words, and we're going to hit all this when we talk about living in the present dispensation. We match our life with this administration. I'm not trying to speak in tongues. I'm not trying to do miraculous healing. I'm not trying to lord over anybody and be a pastor or a priest. I'm not trying to do anything that's not my calling. I'm living in accordance with my calling. Simple as that.